In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the WordPress error 503 quickly and safely. If you've ever tried to open your website or log into your WordPress dashboard and suddenly saw 503 Service Unavailable, don't panic. This error looks scary, but in most cases, the fix is actually very simple. I'll walk you through what this error means, why it happens, and the exact steps to fix it in just a few minutes. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple WordPress fixes and tutorials. Now, let's get started. First, let's understand what the 503 Service Unavailable error actually means. Unlike a 500 internal server error, which usually means something has completely crashed, a 503 error means your server is still running, but it temporarily cannot handle the request. In simple terms, your website is out of office. In 2026, the most common reason for this error in WordPress is a stuck maintenance mode file. This usually happens during a plugin or theme update. When WordPress updates a plugin, it creates a small hidden file called .maintenance. This file temporarily puts your site into maintenance mode, so visitors don't see broken pages while files are being updated. Normally, once the update finishes, WordPress automatically deletes that file. But if the update fails or times out, the file stays there and your site remains stuck in maintenance mode, causing the 503 error. So here's how to fix it. Step 1. Log into your hosting account. This could be cpanel, Plesk, or your hosting provider's custom dashboard. Once you're inside, open the File Manager. If you're working locally, navigate to your project folder the same way using your File Explorer. Next, go to your WordPress root directory. This is usually the folder called public_html, www, or sometimes just public. It's the folder where you see wp-admin, wp-content, and wp-includes. Now look carefully for a file named .maintenance. It's a small hidden file, so if you don't see it, make sure Show Hidden Files is enabled in your File Manager settings. Once you find the .maintenance file, simply right-click on it and delete it. That's it. You don't need to edit it, you don't need to open it, just delete it completely. After deleting the file, go back to your website and refresh the page. In most cases, your website will immediately load normally again, and the 503 error will be gone. You can also try accessing your WP-admin dashboard again to confirm everything is working properly. Now let's quickly understand the logic behind this fix. The .maintenance file is basically a temporary closed sign for your website. WordPress creates it to protect your site during updates. But if something interrupts the update process, that sign never gets removed. By manually deleting the file, you're simply telling WordPress that maintenance is finished and the site can reopen to visitors. If you delete the file and the error still appears, then the issue may be caused by a resource-heavy plugin. In that case, you can go into the WP-content folder, open the plugins folder, and temporarily rename it to something like plugins old. This will deactivate all plugins at once. Then refresh your website. If it loads, you know a plugin was causing the issue, and you can rename the folder back and reactivate plugins one by one to find the culprit. But again, in most situations, especially right after an update, deleting the .maintenance file fixes the WordPress error 503 instantly. So to recap, log into your hosting, go to public_html or your WordPress root folder, find the .maintenance file, delete it, and refresh your site. Simple, fast, and effective. Now you've learned how to fix WordPress error 503 the right way. If this video helped you solve your problem, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more WordPress troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.